Okay, good afternoon. We're now here at the Psycho Center, and we have a lot of discussions over here, and we're gonna interview a very good attorney. His name is Jim. What can you say about the cases?
We're still working on the case right now. For now, I can say that mahirap talagang takasan yung issue because
My client
This is another
not
attorney.
able to
Who's
cheat.
your client?
Mr. Kaczynski.
Okay, what's the case of your client?
Janice accused him cheat on our humanities, on their subject on humanities.
So, isn't that true?
Wrong. This is wrong.
Why? But they have a witness.
No,
What can
just
you
have
say?
to listen in court.
Okay.
sometimes it's difficult to be a witness, right?
Yeah?
Because you saw something in this case, ang madidiin pa yung witness. So, pinaglalaban ko po yung karapatan si Glynis Sotero na nakita lang po niya yung cheating na nangyayari.
Objection. Objection. Your Honor, Mr. Kaczynski doesn't cheat. Ang nagkamali lang po ay si Glynis ay inaakusan nga po kahit di naman totoo ang pangyayari.
Okay, what can you say about the issue?
Hi, Glynis Sotero.
Sige, patahin mo yun.
So, Mr. Edward Caczynski, writing on his paper while we are checking our quiz during humanities on September 2, 2009.
Objection.
Wait! Let's go.
I accused Ms. Mellor Joyce Toro and Mr. Edward Caczynski that they were cheating because they were checking each other's quiz. This is my explanation according about all involvement in
Do you swear in this court that everything you say is truth and nothing but the truth? Okay.
As you can see, the letter of my client,
Okay.
besides I already saw the papers of two clients, Mellard and Edward, and they admitted that they cheated, so wala na po
Objection. This
kailangan.
is the proof that
What's that
the
proof?
witness of Miss Toro accused that said that Mr. Kaczynski doesn't cheat anything on that exam. This is the proof.
How can you believe a lawyer without eyelashes?
Is that the physical aspect of an attorney?
So you
How he defend her client,
get the opinion.
his client?
Can you say a statement about the case?
Itong hindi, no? Ito.
No comment. How about you, Mellor?
No, I don't have my lawyer.
What do you want to say to So who's your lawyer? Who's your lawyer?
Lawyer niya.
Okay, this is the lawyer of Mr. Edward Caczynski. And I mean, Mellor Tesoro. You're the lawyer of Edward.
Right? Where I am. Don't forget that Glynis Sotero, Miss Glynis Sotero, accused my client, Mr. Kaczynski.
You shut up, please. Ikaw.
Hoy, you are...
Teka, kung si Josephine Dragon ay Hong Kong based, ano nga sabi mo kay Josephine?
Ha?
Hindi.
What?
Oh, Glenn.
Do you want to
kay Mellor.
defend
Opinion mo kay Mellor.
Yeah.
Drainage bitch! Tapos na ba?
Ayaw mo sa akin. Ayaw mo sa akin. Ayaw mo sa akin.
Patingin lang.
Uy, yung opinion ni...
Yes. What's your opinion about your client?
On my client, honestly, is guilty.
Your client is guilty, so you want to defend her?
But as a lawyer, of course,
Okay.
siyempre pagpapagpanan.
So how will you defend her?
Well, she's
What do you think is the edge?
What? Edward is really the suspect here.
Oh,
Edward's the suspect.
Sir,
There's an objection here.
We will not be,
you have no right and you have no evidence that Mr. Casilse, my
Actually, we
client,
have an
doesn't
evidence.
cheat.
We have a witness.
I have a witness.
Who is your witness?
Tesoro.
Tesoro is also a victim.
No, it's not a victim. It's my witness of being the,
What? My client
Yes.
is also a victim.
No.
Yes.
What's your client?
My client is
My lord.
Tesoro.
Kaya pala,
Objection!
objection. Objective. Mainit.
ang nananalo sa laban ay si Queenie. So, ipagdasal po natin si Queenie na ma-pass niya itong mga problems.
What's your message for Mr. Casilse and Mr.
Because
Soro?
he admitted that he cheated. I have proof to claim that he is guilty.
What about Mellard?
I don't want to speak about Mellard right now because there are doctors on what I mean. May ginawa sa letter para magmukhang kapani-paniwala. So I don't want to speak.
Okay.
Basta ngayon, alam ko, si Guinness makakalabas sa issue to.
Objection.
What? What did you
I
say?
have a comment.
What's your comment?
Inaakusahan lang po ang aking kliyente na nagduga sa isang subject sa isang humanities. Bakit? Ito ay nagkamali. Nga po, si Mrs. Sotero na sinasabi na ang aking kliyente ay nag-check na talaga. Kahit hindi niya naman po talaga nakita at wala silang witness. Kaya yun ang pangit sa ating topic na ito.
We have a witness actually.
Who?
It's Miss Tesoro.
Tesoro
She
doesn't...
did it.
No. Sinasabi ni Mrs. Tesoro na si Edward ay hindi nag-cheat. Ang sinasabi niya ay pinalitan niya lamang ng ang pagsulat sa isang lapis ay pinalitan niya ng ballpen.
Okay.
Yun lang po ang ating masasabi.
Okay.
It means Attorney Talosa is confused right now. So I'm calling for psycho for more.
You don't have right to accuse me like that.
I think the way he looks right now, he's really disoriented. That's the effect of medicine called benzodiazepam.
Acinetone.
Oh, juicy.
Susubok po natin.
What?
Let's look forward.
For another trial. Let's have this case must be
We will have to interview some of the comments of the audiences. Okay? First, Mr. Sepan, what can you say about the issue?
No comment.
No comment. This is the scene of the Salarin. This is Edward Casilse. This is Mellard Tesoro. And this is Glynis Sotero. No, I'm not gonna post it. Okay. Yeah.